In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to create a bar chart with plotting. This bar chart compares how chess players play the centipede game. This red bar are the international masters. See that 75% of international masters, they played the dominant strategy, the optimum strategy. And here the green bar is the Federation Masters. 73% of Federation Masters play the dominant strategy. And here the Grandmasters, all Grandmasters play the best, most rational strategy. Let's learn how to create the graph. First, we have to import plotty graph objects as goal. We use the goal to create the figure and to create the bars. Let's create the node 1, 2, and 3. They will be the X. Node is the round where the chess player plays the dominant strategy. See in the bar chart, node 1, node 2, and node 3. Let's now create the bar charts for the Grandmasters. I will pass manually the values for Y to illustrate the input values. The first value is 1, and see the height of the blue bar, it's 1. The second value is 0, and see there is no blue bar in the node 2. The third value is 0, and there is no blue bar in the third node. Now let's create the red bars, the international masters. We pass the values for Y stored in the variable proportion of international masters, because this is the usual way to pass the values. Therefore, proportion IM will be a list with 3 values that control the heights of these 3 red bars. And now let's create the green bar, that is the Federation Masters. And we pass the 3 heights stored in the variable proportion FM. In order to get these 3 groups of bars, it's important in Fig Update Layout, bar mode, choose group. If you want to add a title for the bar chart, title text, control the title. I also recommend you to control the font size of the chart. Here is a dictionary, size equal 21. The default font size is very small, it's really hard to read. If you want to access the Jupyter notebook of this video, you can visit my online book Causal Inference with Python and go to chapter 1, Are chess players more rational than the rest of the population? Then, if you click in the rocket icon, you can download my Jupyter notebook or open the book directly in the Google Colab.